When you're ready to insert a citation into your document, locate the Zotero tab in your word processing program. This plugin was installed along with your Zotero download. Click the tab and then click Add/Edit Citation. When adding your first citation, you will be prompted to select a citation style. Choose your desired style. In this case, I will be using APA 7th edition. If the style you're looking for is not available, click on Manage Styles to download additional style options. Once you've selected a style, click OK and a red Zotero search box will appear. Search by author name or title of the paper and select your desired item. This will insert the citation into your text. You may also use Classic View to select items from your library. To do this, click the red Z and choose Classic View. This will allow you to browse your library in a smaller window. Here you also have the option to add page numbers or even select multiple sources. When you're ready to insert your bibliography, place your cursor at the appropriate spot in your document. Then, click on Add/Edit Bibliography in the Zotero tab. This will generate a bibliography from your in-text citations. Make sure to check over your citations for accuracy. If you make any changes to your in-text citations, for example by adding another citation, this will automatically update your bibliography as well.